let's get to the actual good stuff of Rails. But before we do that, of course, git add a, git commit m, add admin interface. Cool. And if you want to, go ahead and push this up to GitHub. Push it up to Heroku. Just make sure that's all working properly. And remember, when you push it up to Heroku, you have a new migration. So you're going to have to run the new migration on Heroku as well. Otherwise, you're going to run into an error. Of course, this can take a while. As you build your app, it takes longer and longer each time. Heroku open. Now I didn't run my migration, so I'm expecting I'll run into some sort of error here. You may not see it right away. Yeah, so I see, we're sorry something went wrong. So you'd actually have to go in and you would have to do Heroku run Rails DB migrate to run the migrations. And then remember, your database on Heroku is different from your database on your computer. So even if you have a user, you're still going to have to go in and you're going to have to make them an admin. So right now, I'm not authorized to perform it. How do I do that? Well, I can do the same thing, except it's Heroku run Rails console. And now I'm running the command Rails console, but on Heroku. It takes a little while to get started. So remember, I could do user.all and see all my users. Ooh, there's a bunch of you guys who set up accounts on my app. Interesting. So here's another example of, did I create a user, find by email, matan@onemonth.com? Nope. But let me create that guy just so that he's going to be the admin. So now I can find him. User equals user.findbyemail, because I need to actually have a variable in order to make him an admin. User.admin is false, so I can set that equal to true. And then I do user.save. And now my new account should have access to the admin interface. I could see all of the new users that got created in my class. Check you guys out. Cool. All right, let's get to building the fun stuff in Rails.